Hey, who's detective? I am. You're detective? You can gather everyone and you can tell them to show up, like gather them for a meeting and stuff. Just basically fuck with people.
You know, I was watching the detective.
He's detective. Okay. Can I be your deputy?
Sure, let's do this.
Sweet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Dude.
No way.
See, you're creating paranoia already.
Can I shoot stuff?
You can, not yet though, not yet.
How long do I have to wait?
3 more minutes. You can randomly shoot in different directions just to scare people too. Sir, are you a traitor? Can I trust you?
Are you lying to us?
I'm not lying to you.
Don't lie to me. I don't like the way your face looks. You're clearly a traitor.
He's detective, so you should tell him the truth.
Detective?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm good
I
then.
don't know how I got stuck in this coat.
You're already liking it though, aren't you?
It's gonna make people feel bad about themselves.
It is. Like, I'm a horrible liar. That's basically what it amounts to. I'll call it out when we're allowed to shoot each other too. You guys should play this online. It's fucking hilarious. But there were people running through here, which means I don't trust them. Look for groups.
So if I
terrorists can shoot detectives
in this game, and I end up killing all the terrorists in that process, do we just end it?
Yeah. When all the terrorists are dead, that's when the game's over. When all the terrorists are dead or it's only terrorists left, that's when the game is over. Oh shit.
Trust in a rusty pipe. What a terrible idea.
I hear people arguing. Come on, let's go. Oh shit, a mag in my gun would help.
Hey look, peoples.
Hey!
Hey, you with the faces, come here.
Hey, detective right here. They're grouping together. I think that's suspicious. Isaiah acts suspicious. Isaiah, that's exactly what it's for. Okay, so I'll call it out and I'll say
Isn't it right now?
I was just going off time. Yeah. It's,
yeah, in 1 minute we can fire. Or yeah, no.
For my watch.
This is what you guys want to do for that 1 minute.
So basically, if one of us was a traitor, you could just fucking kill everyone here.
Wait, what do you call it? Before I know it.
What?
That's a giant death squad.
Someone is going to fuck over that entire group.
Can I just go fuck over that group?
Wait, is this automatic or is this
Sure, why not?
I like it.
I am a detective, doesn't mean I
There's
don't want to kill
definitely a
people.
traitor in that group.
Yep, let's go. Yep, there's no way that this won't work.
Well, the shitty part is traitors know each other. So they can work together.
But that group is gigantic. There's at least one traitor in that group.
There has to be. It's the odds of it, yeah.
What we're gonna do, see, is we're gonna walk up in a straight line and just mow them down.
You'd be like, I'm detective.
But that's our DMing.
okay.
Oh, and then we go up and just check their IDs. Are you really recording right now?
I don't have anything to... Oh shit, my phone's right there.
Dude, you should. You should record like that.
Pop!
Alright,
Brown goes
hang
right
on.
through.
And then you gotta send me the footage as detective.
Will do. This is awesome.
And it'd be like.
You may now fire!
It'd be like detective cam. Like, oh my god.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
I see him.
Whoa, 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 whoa. He's got a firing position set up.
Christian, go check him out.
Shit!
I know, right? Just.
Oh, wait. Let's ID his body. Let's ID his body. Stay there. Just stay where you are and you can pull out your card to show us.
You looked funny, I wanted to kill you.
Don't just randomly shoot people.
Man, I'm a great detective. Shoot first, ask questions later.
You killed an innocent man. Here you go.
He was wearing all black.
Wow.
It was Chris Dorner.
He killed an innocent.
I'm sad. He's dead. I'm dead.
Why?
Oh.
Damn it, son of a bitch!
I'm traitor, fucker.
Ah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, why'd you shoot me in the face?
Oh, my bad.
Wow, Cody.
That was a hip shot. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Ah, it got me good, dude. Bleeding.
Oh, shit. Oh, I got you in the lip. I'm sorry.
I killed all of you fuckers. Wait.
Detective is dead!
Man, I was a great detective.
Okay.
Alright, is anyone a terrorist here?
He was. Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Oh, then.
Bullshit.
Okay, then I'm gonna walk around with someone and film. Here, anyone want to hold? Wait, Isaiah, are you still alive?
Oh, fuck me, my lip.
You fucker!
Man, that's nice.
You didn't shoot me.
I knew it.
Why? Do you want to take your camera or something?
No. Here.
Wait.
Yeah, here. Here, Isaiah.
Ah, fuck.
Terrorist.
Lip, fucking asshole. Who is it?
I don't think this shit's gonna fit.
Terrorist
Oh, they're
cam.
talking to Anthony, you're dead.
There you go. Terrorist cam.
Alright, no, Anthony, you're dead. I saw it. Wait, they're doing something over there. Ducky was one, right?
What?
You caught the ducky was one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's this guy doing?
I don't know.
He might open fire on us, so just stay away. Hey, what's your story? Oh, you just hold up. He'll open fire on us without a doubt. How about we just stay away from you and you stay away from us? Got it.
Human shield?
You could just be one of them belligerent ones. I don't know.
But you weren't a traitor, but you killed him anyway? What the fuck?
Hey! Hey! What about that guy? I'm usually pretty good at talking. What? Put that gun down! He looks like he's gonna open fire on him.
Go up slowly.
We can take him off and claim we're defending them. But just wait till he looks like he's aiming for him. Aim down!
Put that weapon down!
Sacred ritual? No, we left. Don't shoot him!
Who's a traitor?
Huh?
Who's a traitor?
Ducky.
Who's Ducky?
In front of us yelling. Wait, you said keep away.
Keep away from Asgard!
Okay. What about that black guy?
Asgard.
Well, wait. Why? All four of you are clearly not terrorists. There's only 3 of them. Like, okay. Ducky has a perfect shot on them all. Those guys. Leave those 3 to Ducky. We need to watch that black guy though. I don't know where he went.
Let's
And
go
he will
flank.
pick us off if we go for him.
He only has a pistol, right?
Yeah, but
It's distant.
yeah, it's a decent pistol. Like I've seen it. It has 6 shots, but it has 6 decent shots. I'll keep an eye on the... See if you can spot him in the tree line. I bet you he's just laying down amongst the trees. In case one of us is fucked. I'm watching those guys, seeing what they're doing. I don't know. I can't believe we got through that though without them thinking we're terrorists. Like we just left a whole party of dead people behind us.
I know. Well, they kind of all just shot themselves.
That's true. That was good timing there. Don't go in there yet. Because the guy will shoot you if he's in the right spot. And the last thing you need is to lower our numbers further. Because 18 of us total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This helmet is kicking my ass.
4, 12. That means there are 6 unaccounted. Oh, 2 dead there. So 4 unaccounted for. 4 dudes are hiding somewhere. I'm gonna go try to talk to them. Oi! Where are the other guys? There's like 4 other guys over there, like running around that we don't know about.
You can't talk to people who are alive.
Why not?
I'm just telling you.
Oh.
We can ask if you're a traitor, but that was it.
Don't hit me that night.
Hey, you guys can fire in random directions too to create chaos. Like, act like you're. Here's you can hit each other and make it seem like you guys are close.
This guy's coming over. What's up? Hey, everyone is dead. Everyone is dead. Move back. Okay. Don't got none of your buddies sneaking around to get us?
Put a weapon on him, I'll scan.
Pat him down.
What about the dude that ran back there?
I'm watching.
Oh, you're the second ambassador. Because, like, I don't want to run into him.
We hear multiple people back in those bushes.
I know there's at least 4 that This one's on my back.
You know who the detective is?
Fuck! Ow! Fuck! Fired on. The founder soul's not dead. Hi, Bobby! Oh, there he is.
Well, actually, I think he's trying to bait us in there.
Because I still don't even touch the bullets stuffy in them, so. Just in case the wind pops out, you don't want to get like caught by a couple shots. Nah, he's not going to shoot. He won't shoot. You sure? Yeah.
Is that a spring?
We're going to go back to our leader and inform our new relationship with our neighbors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, see if you can find out about the other 4 running around back there. Sweet. He's a wing. I like it. So we have permission to shoot on that one guy.
Alright.
And remember, Ducky's their leader, although they don't trust him, but he's acting as leader, which is great.
This is a traitor, right?
Yeah. No. You're dead, Anthony. Oh. Fuck.
It was them?
Who, was that you guys?
Yeah, it was them.
Oh.
What the fuck just happened?
There's 2 up there.
Over here. What the fuck?
I didn't think they had range on me. You see them? Don't charge.
I'm not.
They're with us. Hey guys, 2 up there. I trust them. They're like I trust them, but just be aware. No. Let him come out if you see him.
Yeah, I was just standing in my own fucking business. I was thinking.
What are you doing?
Watching this area.
I see him. I really want to kill him, but
I say just off him right now. Off him right now.
we're thinking about it. But we got range on him. Like we don't have range.
They all think he's a traitor. Oh, you can also, if you kill someone, you can tell people that he was a traitor and lie to them.
Oh, we already made an agreement to kill him.
You can tell people someone's a traitor after you kill them and go, I killed a traitor.
Oh, I see. I like it. Let's do that.
Who the hell is he shooting at?
We need to watch our back. My buddies are here. Hold up, get up. Move this way. My guys are coming down the main road. I just want to get some.
You got this area, I'll cover our six.
You watch, yeah, watch those tree lines. Let me know.
He's flanking around us, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know. He's waiting to come up on our back. He's trying to hold.
Friendly, friendly.
For the sake of irony, we're gonna attack our own people.
They told us to come over here. If we have a plan to flank Bobby with you guys, then
Where are they
gonna
shooting
shoot you
at?
guys
Hey, we're dead.
Where's Bobby?
Yeah, they told us to come attack you.
What are you shooting at me for?
Ow! Okay, they made a decision to attack us. Move back. Move back. Move back. Watch out. He's running back. You were going?
Yeah. Does he know that we're?
I hope he does. I don't know if he looked left and right. Oh, hey, what's up? Where'd that big dude go?
Over there.
Okay, you see him? Sure. They're over there. Heads up. Okay, I know what's going on. That group of 5 over there realized
Huh?
That group of 5 over there realized we're traitors. That's why Ducky shot on us, because he had no choice. Either he didn't see us.
You guys are dead, right?
What?
You're dead, right?
Those 2 are.
We didn't kill you, right?
Right.
You're dead, right?
No! You hit the guy in front of me!
I'm coming to kill you again.
He's warning us. Get away from him. It's a well-known fact then.
Huh?
Then they know for sure we're traitors. Just gotta leave it to Ducky. I'm worried about you. Stupid for not kidding. Here, I'll watch. Yeah, so they know we're traitors. Oh, sorry about that. In other words, watch out on your left. Oh, watch the right. And the front, of course. Watch the front. I bet you the kid's waiting around the corner, just ready to shoot people who come in. Best way to get him out is Hey, who over there's alive? Wait, who over there's alive? Watch that side. Wait, who's alive?
Yes, I am. Fuck you.
Okay, they're gonna kill Bob. Wait, you guys are the only ones left? Oh. Ducky was a traitor? Okay, then one of those guys over there might be one too. Heads up. Don't push him further back. They'll get him. Let's see if we can keep one of them alive. Actually, might be better off just kill him. No, we need one of them. We need one of them alive. To make sure they're always in front.
That's gotta be them.
Huh? Are you shooting him?
Damn it.
We took out our team. We want you to join us.
We took out our team.
We took out our guy.
Subtle.
Oh,
He's dead.
Wait, do we shoot those two guys?
Huh?
Do we shoot those two guys?
No, that'll make us obvious. It'll be 2 on 4 then. Let's see if they point their guns at us. Alright, here. There's 2 guys over there. I'm thinking those guys are the traitors. Did you check his ID? He's innocent.
Oh wow, we really are like LAPD.
Hey Jay, 2 guys over there.
Can I use that pistol? I ran out of gas.
Yeah, well,
BB's running out of gas.
the idea was we didn't want to kill them.
piece of shit.
Where'd it get you?
I wanted to kill you guys. You went and shot them, so I went along with it. Yeah. But you got a traitor.
You know what? Fuck you guys.
Okay, I'm thinking the other 2 guys over there are traitors, because what else do we have? How many? There's 2 over there at least, maybe 4.
Dude, you're being so suspicious, dude. I'm Bobby! You can't expect me not to be suspicious.
You gotta get that. We need to reuse that.
And you didn't even check my tag, so how would you know I'm really innocent?
Yeah. Well, you're dead, doesn't matter. There's like at least 2 over there. I'm thinking 4. Either 2 there and 2 there, or 4 there. No, just this one. Bobby's dead. We killed him. All of us except for Bobby.
Oh wait, why the fuck am I?
You're dead. Go away.
Okay, dead person, come join the group. 3 minutes left, girls. 3 minutes for traitors to kill everyone.
Okay. Well, looks like the innocent are killing everybody.
How's this gonna work? Oh yeah.
Is it just?
It's just shoot.
Do I have?
Dude, we're such assholes. We're gonna get shot up next round so much by Ducky, you.
I jumped in there.
Isaiah, you still alive?
Yeah.
Okay. Having fun?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm alive. I like the dead experience. It's psychedelic.
That experience was fun. You missed out.
Dude, this thing is fucking up my mask.
I'm sorry. It's making you think a lot though, isn't it?
It's making me hate life.
Why? Because you're like not trusting people? No, you can't.
Give me your paper.
No, we'll do that next time. We'll drink in here. No, you can't do that. Hey, if you're dead, just come over here.
What's going on?
Hey, all the dead people, what are your tags?
Alright, we got 1 traitor dead.
Who's the detective? No one called him. Oh no, it's Sam right there.
We
Sam,
shot
raise
him,
your
or
hand. One
he
traitor.
didn't shoot. Well, he called.
You're the detective?
They all shot each other. We were just watching, and then they were like,
Yeah, they're like freaked out. Like Sam shot an innocent. Oh shit. Freaking Seth freaked out and shot Sam. And then they all started shooting him, and people started shooting each other. The original plan was to go over here, pretend we were gonna go with you to flank Bobby, and go with you, and then shoot you. They were gonna come around and shoot the rest of the guys because we didn't know they were dead.
And then on the way, we were like, hey, let's turn on our team.
I'm like, hey, let's turn on our team. Because it would be funny as shit. So James is like, oh, and he shoots the guy in the back of him, like, whoa, fuck. Sam and Levi are in those bushes. Yeah, like up in there somewhere. Yeah, you know how much a sniper would have helped?
"Where's he at?"
They're in here somewhere. They might have moved back. No.
That ghillie suit's actually coming in handy.
James, proceed with caution.
1 minute!
1 minute.
Seriously?
Well, thanks. You could have yelled bang bang. And that leaves Sam and Levi. Oh yeah, we're traitors. I had such an opportunity to shoot you because you like dry fired.
I hear voices over there. Ah, fuck. I'm hit.
Traitors win!
Yay, dead Isaiah!
Should have shot them in the first place.
Get this thing off me. Fuck.
Let's go back to camp. Okay, everyone hand in your papers. We gotta go back to camp. I gotta get ammo. Okay.